guys. It is our first day here at Iloilo. So, it is now around 8:30. Nagpa-fog na naman siya kasi sobrang lamig sa kwarto. So, we're gonna go there. Ito pala yung restaurant where we're gonna have our breakfast. So, katapat lang siya ng aming cottage. Nagbe-breakfast kami kasi yung breakfast is 6 to 9 lang siya. Now, 8:30 na. So, let's go! Check what breakfast they have. They have egg fried rice. They have
Pancit bihon.
And pancit bihon. Wow, paksiw is yummer. And this one. And also got one. Also have fruits here. Ito yung juices nila. So they have coffee there. Meron din silang tabli at chocolate. And cereal. Also this is their pastry. Oh, yummers. And eggs. This is what I got. I got fish paksiw, chicken fillet, and then ham, pancit bihon, fried rice, coffee and tablia choco, and water. Oh, diba ang itim ko na? So we're just chilling muna here. Actually, time check, it is now 11:29. Yan, so bumili pala ako ng suman moron sa airport, CDO airport. Dinala namin dito. So ito na lang yung natira. Actually, 4 5. Ganon. Tapos ito yung view namin here. Ito na yung swimming pool. May nagsiswimming ngayon mga bata. Tapos ito, beach area na nila. Meron silang free kayak, so maybe later we're gonna try. And then this side, more villa in here. Meron silang pa-playground over here. Hey guys! I guess it's around 4 PM na ngayon, tapos ngayon lang kami lalabas. Kasi kanina, gloomy siya eh. Ngayon, 4 PM, pero ngayon pa lang lumabas si Haring Araw. So, we're walking now. We're going to the beach area. Kasi ito yung outfit ko. Ah! Meron din silang upuan here, guys, if you wanna chill. But, I don't know if you would like to swim because medyo maalon siya in fairness. So, we're gonna go check sa pool area nila. Marami pa pala silang villa dyan, guys. They have villa in here. And that's our room over there. And then, ito na yung pool nila. Which is, doon yung restaurants nila. See? Ito yung pool nila here. Actually, may 1, 2, yung jacuzzi. And then, 3rd pool sila doon. Let's go here. So that's the restaurant over here. Gusto ko yung pool nila actually, guys. Kasi it reminds me of Bali. Yung mga pool nila sa Bali, marami silang kalatuchi na around the pool area nila. May mga lights na siya ngayon, guys. Ang maganda na siya kasi may lights na. So tapos na kami mag-swimming, guys. So shower muna kami. And then we're gonna have dinner. Kasi around 6 something na ngayon. So, meron silang dinner dito, guys, which is affordable lang siya, like 399. Hindi siya magkaanong madaming mapipilian, pero sulit naman siya. So, I hope buffet ulit ngayon. That's the view from my pool nila. Ito yung buffet na nakuha ko. So, medyo okay lang yung nila ngayon. Yung display nila. They have cheese, I have rice, vegetables. I think corn, beef, chicken, and this is a corn soup, mango, I don't know, water, and juice. Kain tayo, guys. Medyo wavy siya ngayon, guys. bagyo eh. Yan, actually may free kayak sila pero parang
no limit in the sky that I won't fly for ya. No amount of tears in my eyes that I won't cry for ya. With every breath that I take, I want you to share that air with me. And there's no promise that I won't keep. I'll climb a mountain, there's none too steep. When it comes to you, there's no crime. Let's take both of our souls and intertwine. When it comes to you, don't be blind. Watch me speak from my heart. When it comes to you, comes to you.